GetResponse is one of the most well-known email marketing platforms, offering an all-in-one suite for businesses and entrepreneurs looking to automate their marketing efforts. In this review, I'll take you through every aspect of the platform, sharing my personal experience with its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness. Upon logging into GetResponse, you're welcomed by a clean, intuitive dashboard that provides quick access to the main tools, email campaigns, automation workflows, landing pages, and even webinar hosting. Setting up an email campaign is straightforward. The drag-and-drop email editor allows for easy customization, and there are numerous templates to choose from, making it simple to create professional-looking emails without coding knowledge. The email deliverability rates are quite impressive, and the platform provides analytics that help track open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its automation capabilities. The platform allows users to create complex email workflows based on triggers such as user behavior, email opens, or specific actions taken on a website. This is particularly useful for businesses that rely on automated email sequences to nurture leads and drive conversions. The automation builder is visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for beginners. GetResponse also includes a landing page builder, which integrates seamlessly with email campaigns. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create high-converting landing pages for lead generation, event registrations, or sales pages. Plus, the platform provides A/B testing, so users can test different versions of their pages to determine which performs best. For those who host webinars, GetResponse has a built-in webinar tool, which is a unique feature compared to other email marketing platforms. The webinar tool allows users to host live and automated webinars, integrate them with email campaigns, and even monetize their sessions. While it's not as feature-rich as dedicated webinar platforms, it's a valuable addition for marketers looking to streamline their workflow within a single tool. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check them out after watching this review. Now, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers several pricing tiers, including a free plan with limited features. The paid plans unlock more advanced tools such as automation workflows, e-commerce integrations, and expanded audience segmentation. Compared to competitors, GetResponse is fairly priced, especially considering the range of features included. However, some users might find the automation capabilities on higher-tier plans more useful, so it's important to assess your needs before committing to a subscription. Customer support is another aspect worth mentioning. GetResponse offers 24/7 live chat and email support, which is great for users who need assistance at any time. Their knowledge base is extensive, with tutorials and guides that help users navigate the platform efficiently. Overall, GetResponse is a powerful marketing tool with a robust set of features for businesses looking to streamline their email marketing, automation, and lead generation efforts. It's particularly useful for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and marketers who want an all-in-one solution without juggling multiple software tools. While there are some areas that could be improved, such as a more advanced CRM integration, the platform delivers excellent value for its price. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of digital marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've used GetResponse and what your experience has been like.